Good morning students. In this video we will continue to know about the components of Excel interface. First we will discuss about ribbon. Children, as you can see, the rectangle frame is there in the picture. It has a tabs, groups and command buttons. We will understand the difference between tabs, groups and command buttons. In this picture, on the top there are some words written like file, home, insert. These are called tabs. File tab, home tab, insert tab. Right now you can see that home tab is currently activated. When we click on any tab, children, we will find out that different types of groups appears. In home tab there is a clipboard group, then font group, alignment group and number group. So every tab has some groups, and on the group you will see that there are some command buttons like paste, cut, copy, format painter are the command buttons located on clipboard groups. So whenever we have to use any command button in our working, we have to go to the particular tab and then we will go to the group, and on group we will see the command button is available. So to use any command we need a command buttons. Next is file tab. Children, in Excel there is a file tab to just work on the file. What type of work we can do? We can use new option to open a new Excel file. We use open option to open an existing Excel file. Save and save as used to save the new Excel file and save the content of Excel file. We can use print command for printing the content. We can also export the data, and close option is used to close the window. So these all options we will get in the file tab. File tab is located left side of home tab. Status bar. Children, status bar is located at the bottom of Excel window. You can see in this picture the bottom bar is the status bar. Normally children, status bar shows the information regarding the sheet. It shows the column where we have just clicked. It also shows the page numbers, and if we right click on a status bar, children, it shows different options. If we click on any option to show it, it will show it. If we click again that option, it will off it. For example, if we just show caps lock is on or not, if we choose this option, then we will find out as we just on the caps lock key, caps lock word appears on the status bar. And also if we select some values in Excel, you will find out that average, count, sum is coming of those selected cells. We can also select some other functions. Cell pointer. In Excel, how can we find out that we are on which cell presently, or how can we find out about the active cell? Active cell means if we press keyboard keys to type something, that content will appear in an active cell. So children, cell pointer is used because cell pointer highlight the active cell. It is a rectangular boundary that comes on the active cell. Fill handle. As you can see right now, the active cell is A1 cell. It is the address of cell, and you will see that at bottom right corner a small square is coming, that is of green color. This is the fill handler option, children. By this option we can copy the cell contents, we can just select those cells immediately, we can clear the data from the row and column. Zoom control. Sometimes we want to increase the magnification of a content, then we use the zoom controller, or sometimes you want to decrease the magnification view of content, then we use the zoom controller. So plus sign is used to increase the magnification and minus sign is used to decrease the magnification. You can see that right side of the status bar there is a zoom controller, children, and we can just use plus minus sign to increase and decrease the magnifications. Whenever we are working, if we want that we cannot see some content due to its font size, then we can increase the magnification. And sometimes we find out there are lots of columns, we cannot see all them together due to the high magnification, we can decrease the magnification. Page view buttons. If we want to just see our content in page layout view, we can use page layout view. If you want to see the content in page break view, that shows that our content is coming on how many pages, we use page break view. And if we normally want to work, we just use the normal view buttons. These buttons are located to the left side of zoom control options and right side of status bar. Scroll bar. Children, as you can see in this picture, there are two scroll bars, horizontal and vertical. Scroll bars is used to see the different areas of a sheets. We use vertical scroll bar to move the page up and down. We use horizontal scroll bar to just move the page and sheets left and right. So children, these are other components that are also important in Excel interface. Thank you.